Hello everyone, welcome to Fresh Learning Academy. This video is for all the CAT aspirant who are preparing for the CAT 2020 exam. So CAT exam online registration closing date is very near. It is the last week of September and the exam date will most probably in the last week of November. So let me share few tips, tricks and hacks with you all those who have yet not started fully preparing for the CAT. So before starting this video, I would like to thank all of the students who helped me out to share their experiences and tips and their preparation strategies for CAT. So I must say that this video is dedicated to all the aspirants who are preparing for the CAT 2020 and also those who took out valuable time of theirs to share their feedback, experiences with me so that I can share this information with you all on Fresh Learning Academy. So let's get started. We all know that preparing for a competitive exam and that too the common admission test CAT may be very difficult. But remember, nothing is impossible. So if the candidate would come up with a strategy and systematic plan, then attempting this national level examination would not be a nightmare. So here are the simple tips and hacks which will help you out to prepare and clear this exam. So here comes the three cube strategy if you would like to crack this exam. But before that, you should firmly believe that you can do it. Until and unless you think that you would be able to crack the exam, nobody could help you out because inner motivation always win. Now, you can't take or crack any exam just preparing for 1 or 2 months. So it will need your continuous effort and regular study plan and strategies for up to 3 to 4 months. Though those months have passed by and you have only 2 months left, so here you can follow few of the tips. So this will be truly based on the hard work and discipline. So as I told you, there is a three cube strategy which stands for discipline, dedication and determination along with the help you would like to crack any exam. So choosing right study material is the foremost and very important aspect, wherein there are ample of study material available everyone. But then you have to choose very wisely what study material will fulfill and will cater to your own needs. So don't go after each and everything shared on any which platform. Do prefer the right study material. Now, the second point is you can take assistance of various sources and you can also consult to those students or those aspirants who have already cleared these exams or maybe they are preparing for the second time and do have more idea about how to go and prepare for this exam. So you can also join educational websites. There are many social media groups which are very active these days and people discuss about how you can prepare for various kind of exams. Particularly I am talking about the CAT exam. So there you can get ample of ideas. Now, as there are only few months left for your self study, what you can do is you can take past year CAT paper as a test and you can practice a lot as a mock. So many free sites are there where you can go and you can practice these mock. So if you have done the above activities, you will definitely do well. You can solve mocks of past year papers and you have to do necessary exercises for everything, because once you are done with your basic preparation, it is very necessary to take mocks so that you understand the pattern very wisely. And this analysis is very important as it would help you to crack this exam. So start with 1 or 2 tests a week and initially increase the frequency of taking mock tests. This would definitely help you. Now let us talk about quant or math section. So in this section, you have to solve as many questions as you can. And here you can start with the basic books like R.S. Agarwal or any of your 9th and 10th standard books. So if you can find a personal tutor, it's well and good. If you are getting assistance from any of the mentor, it is superb. But once you are quite thorough with each topic, you will definitely start to feel confident, and then you can move to the next level. So CAT quant is not that tough. Questions are not calculation based, but most of the questions, if you talk about, they all are based on concept. So you have to prepare accordingly. Also, it is very important to get a reality check of yours, which definitely means that candidate should know their strength and weaknesses. So if you would be able to evaluate your level of preparation to understand how much effort you need to put in, that would definitely work out for you. And the next major step could be that you should be aware about the CAT exam pattern. And the exam pattern consists of the number of questions asked in the paper, the number of sections, how much time you will need to solve those questions. This will definitely make you very confident, and it would help you out to become familiar with the structure of the exam. Okay, now if you are looking for suitable study materials such as books, sample papers, previous papers, and more, there are so many websites you can visit there. You can join Facebook groups, Telegram groups, wherein you will hear many of the aspirants are talking about these kind of questions. So you have to dedicate yourself, devote yourself. Don't forget to work on your vocabulary by reading newspaper on a regular basis, because reading newspaper will definitely help you out in your verbal skill ability test. In case you find it difficult to handle this CAT preparation by your own, then definitely you can go out and seek help of many coaching institutes are there. So you can go and do your crash course. There are many YouTubers who are solely focusing on the CAT preparation. You can attend their live sessions, you can join their group. So there are so many things which you can do to prepare for your CAT. Brush up on your basics so that there is no confusion when it comes to attempting the difficult questions or distributing your time. So preparing your timetable will definitely be helpful. You can also solve previous year questions paper of CAT in order to get an idea of what kind of questions you can expect in the exam. You can figure out the questions, trends, patterns on the basis of the previous year question papers, and make sure that you distribute equal time for all the three sections of the CAT exam if you're aiming to crack those exams. It is very important to be well versed with all these sections. So you have to cover all the topics from all the sections, because you need to perform well in each of the three sections. It's not like you'll perform good in one section and leave the others. So don't rely heavily on any one particular sections, and don't leave any topic. So if you find yourself struggling with one or the another topic, make sure you give more time on that particular topic and focus on that topic. So that's all for today. It's never late to start. So begin your preparation from today. Preparation is the key to success, and planning to fail is failing to plan. So do plan all your strategies beforehand. Fresh Learning Academy wish you all the very best. If you have any question, drop your comment in the comment box, and don't forget to watch other videos. Thank you so much for watching Fresh Learning Academy. Take care. Bye bye.